What up YouTube, Justin here with another how-to video. We're going to show you how to wire up your pesky turn signals if they ever get fried in your car, or you're wiring up a race car like I am. So what you will want to do, we'll show you here. My last video was wiring up running lights, so we left the running lights on. So this was actually the running lights on. You can see the running lights on my tail lights there and in the front here. Then I got my left turn signal front and back working here, and then we have the right turn signal working on both. Hope you guys could see that. I'm sitting at a table right now, and the way I'm wiring up my flashers, I'm actually just going to be using both my toggles at the same time. And as you can tell, guys, they're both working. You can see that one coming on over there. Like I said, it's kind of hard to see from the table here, but we're going to show you how to wire these up. So first off, we're going to take our power off the battery here so we don't get shocked. So first off, this is your flasher relay. Pin 49A goes to your switch. Pin 31, which is on the right if you're looking at it this direction. Pin 31 is your ground, and pin 49 is your power from your battery. So this is hot all the time going to the switch. Once you flip the switch, it would come on. So we're going to take all these off so I can show you guys how to wire this, so you guys can see it being wired, and you'll kind of understand how it's going to work. Connector about to come apart on that one. So, and then on the switches, like I said, this one's our running lights. I just made a jumper for the ground for all three switches. So we got one ground for all three switches. So the center one is what you're trying to turn on. This is going to my right turn signal. This one is going to the left turn signal. And this one here is going to the running lights, like I said. On the bottom is your switch wire, which coming out of that flasher there, I made a jumper to come off of the bottom over to the other one. So we'll take all this off. It'll come apart here. Things are real tight. Okay, I'm going to leave my running lights hooked up. So what we did is, on the top here, our top pin is ground on these switches. Our center pin is what we're wanting to turn on, and our bottom pin is our hot. So essentially what we're going to do here is we're going to ground our switches first. So let's put our ground wires back on. This goes to the battery, to a ground, or to the chassis. As we're using a test battery, so this goes to my battery. And this is our left turn signal wire. This is going to our left turn signals. We're going to put that in the center there. And that's my running light. And I think this is the one. Nope, this is going to the right turn signals here. So we'll put that on there. And here's our jumper wire. This is our switch wire here with our jumper lead on it for our switches here. So this will be our hot wire to our switches pretty much. So we'll put them on the bottom of the switches. Okay, so then that leaves us this. And we have a ground and a hot right here. So, like I said before, pin 49 is your hot, this is what we're trying to turn on, which is our switch here on pin 49A. If you guys can see that there, pin 49A on the back. And then our ground wire goes on pin 31. So essentially, this should work just the way it was before. We will hook up our power wire here. And our running lights are on. So, running lights. Left turn signal. Right turn signal. And hazards. Which, like I said, guys, you can wire these up to an actual switch where you don't have to flip both of these on. You can have it to a switch. I have a push button switch that I used in earlier episodes. You can do that, but we're going for race cars, so we're going, you know, we don't want the extra switch in the wires, so I decided that's how I was going to do mine. So if this video helped you guys, please like, subscribe, share it. It helps my channel grow, and I'll see you on the next one.